Hello student, welcome to the VPS e-learning classes. Children, I am your SST teacher. In the last video, I have explained you about the resources and its division, including some of the different types of the resources. That is the geography first chapter. In the last video, I have explained you about the division of natural resources on the basis of the renewabilities, including the renewable resources and the non-renewable resources. And I have also explained you children about the division of the natural resources on the basis of the distribution. Which are the two parts? The two parts are the ubiquitous and the localized resources. Today we will discuss about the human made resources and the human resources. This is also the part of the resources. First we see about the human made resources. So here it is given that the resources that are created from natural substances by human being to produce valuable product that can be satisfy the need of the people are known as the human made resources. It means to say here that when the science and the technology has been developed, people are using the new and the advancement technology, and they had made the things more means to say the more comfortably. So for the age they had lead a comfortable life, and this is known as the man-made resources. It also called as the human-made resources. It means to say here that the things that are made newer and in better things by using the natural resources is known as the human-made resources. The human-made resources required high technology along with the skill. Skill means to say the thinkings, knowledge and intelligence of the human beings. Human being changed the original form of the natural resources. For example, one example is given here. If we can see that the iron ore is a less useful things, but if in when it is in the raw materials, but if we can use its value, then it will get increased. Suppose how can we use it? We can use the iron in the machines. We can see like in the fans, in the car, then in the washing machine. You can see we are using the different types of the machines using like the irons. In the buses also you can see. So what are these are made by the human made resources. So children, you have understood what is human made resources. Human made resources means to say the resources that are made by the human to lead a comfortable life is known as human made resources. Now our next topic is human resources. Human resources is in simple word we can say that human being is considered as a human resources. So here it is given that human resources refer to a number as well as physical and mental abilities of the people. Physical abilities means to say that the ability that are performed by a physical act, and mentally abilities it means to say that the what we can say the mental abilities it means to say here the abilities that can understanding the fact and the significance of our behavior, the capacity that is called all the mental abilities of the people. Only human resources can be used. Efficient use of resources through proper management and utilization means only human resources is there are that can be properly managed and it can be utilized. They also contribute the development of various resources. It can also develop the various type of other resources also. Human resources use their knowledge, skill and technology to transform natural material into valuable product of the resources, because only through the human resources and through the new technology we can also transfer the natural material into the other valuable resources. It's so that human resources are the most significant resources on the earth. So children, you must remember the most important resources among all the natural resources are human resources. Now in this way human qualities should be improved so that they can create more and more valuable product. health and education help in making people a valuable resources. So children, you must remember this line, that for making a valuable resource is health and education, and it help us to make this valuable resources. Improving the quality of people's skills so that they are able to create more resources is known as human resource development. And for improving the quality to get the better resources for this human scale, they are also able to create more resources through all the skill, through new technology, through the management, through the physical and mental abilities. They are using the betterment, the more means advancement resources, that is known as human resource development. So these are the two parts. In here it is given that although human resources are important to make best use of the other natural and man-made resources, but the need of human being regarding the resources are more complex and varied. Why? Because the more resources are used, the more we need them. It means to say here that we are using more and more resources. In this way, we use these resources blindly, and which we create great problem for or the limit imposed by the environment. Because I have said you that if we are using too much resources, that it will be a danger for our environments, and they naturally causes damages to it. So does it need proper care and attention, and the management of these resources for become more important. So we have to use it in a proper care, in a proper management, and we should try to use it as less as we can. So children, this is the two differences between the human made resources and the human resources. Thank you, students.